Hi guys, I'm sorry I didn't record you a video sooner. I just figured out how to do it with my phone. So I thought today we would go ahead and read a book called Growing Vegetable Soup. It's a really cool story that really talks about everything we've learned about in our plants book this week. So again, the cover shows us that the title is called Growing Vegetable Soup. The book was written by a lady named Lois Ehlert. She's a really cool lady, just like Dr. Seuss, in that she only writes books for kids, and she wrote the words, so she's the author. And she's also the illustrator, which means she drew the pictures. Very good. All right, so this is our title page. It says Growing Vegetable Soup. And we will go ahead and start the story. Here we go. Dad says we are going to grow vegetable soup. We're ready to work, and our tools are ready too. And what kind of tools do they have? A rake, a shovel, and this one's called a hoe. We are planting the seeds. What kind of seeds do you think they're growing? Maybe peas or green beans? And down here it shows us they make a hole. They drop a green bean seed into the hole. They drop a pea seed into that hole. They drop a corn seed into that hole, a zucchini seed into that hole, and this hole is really tiny little seeds. Those are carrot seeds. And all the sprouts, we have a broccoli sprout, tomato sprout, potato eyes, call them eyes when they're on potatoes, onions, peppers, and cabbage. So anyway, the page said, and all the sprouts, and giving them water with a watering can. She's watering all those seeds and waiting for the warm sun to make them grow. And now you see the seeds have started sprouting a small little plant. And they grow and grow into plants. So over here we have a pea plant. We have that zucchini plant. And that's the flour it makes to make the zucchini plants. We watch over them and we weed them until the vegetables are ready for us to pick. What kind of vegetable do you think that is? Tomato. How about this one? Pepper. And you know what that one is. That's right, corn. Very good. Or dig up. Sometimes we don't pick vegetables. Sometimes we have to dig them up, like carrots. Very good. And these over here are potatoes. Those grow under the ground too. Right there, see them under the ground? And carry them home. Then we wash them. What do you think that is? Maybe lettuce or cabbage? And in our bucket we have some onions. And cut them and put them in a pot of water. And there's all the vegetables that she grew and picked and dug, and now she's cutting them up. What do you think she's going to do with those? and cook them into vegetable soup. At last it's time to eat it all up. It was the best soup ever. And we can grow it again next year. Did you know that you can paint with fruits and vegetables? They used some fruits and vegetables to paint. What kind of vegetable do you think made those paintings? That's right, a carrot. How about these? That's right, a potato. How about that one? Looks like cauliflower, right? And then this page talks about fruits and vegetables. It says the fruit is a part of a plant that holds the seeds. Which fruit do you like best? Apples, bananas, tangerine, fig, or strawberry. And then this one is dried out fruit. Sometimes people like to suck the juice out of a fruit and dry it out. These are vegetables. Peppers, broccoli, onion, potato, eggplant, and this one's called zucchini. Strawberries grow above the ground. Potatoes and onions grow under the ground. Sometimes we eat the leaves of the vegetables, like lettuce. Sometimes we eat the roots, like carrots. And this thing is called a food pyramid, which we will talk about more later on in kindergarten. And here's a food rhyme to say. I eat my peas with honey is the name of the rhyme. I eat my peas with honey. I've done it all my life. It makes the peas taste funny, but they sure do stick to my knife. Did you hear the rhyming words in that? Let's say it one more time. I eat my peas with honey. I've done it all my life. It makes the peas taste funny, but they sure stick to my knife. Honey and funny were rhyming words. Life and knife were rhyming words. Well, that's the end of our story, guys. It's good to see you. I miss you so much. Mwah! Goodbye.